Hey, Dr. Dave here with USU Extension. I just wrapped up 2 awesome assemblies for schools at Payson Junior High School, about 1,200 students. Got them talking about kindness. This week they're sprinkling kindness everywhere. They're doing cupcakes and all kinds of great things to spread that message of kindness. And so, man, that's the tip today. Today's Tuesday 2-minute tip is really just think, slow down. Right? It's great to be kind, do small and simple acts of kindness, and then treat everybody as if they are going through a crazy challenge in their life, and you'll be right about half the time. So treat everybody in this world with kindness. You can be anything in this world. Choose to be kind and be grateful. Those 2 qualities, I think, really sum up the happiest people on this planet are those who choose to be kind and choose to be grateful. So I'm headed down now to sunny St. George, Utah to do a couple more assemblies tomorrow morning and then head back to Logan. So that's all for now. I'm Dr. Dave with Utah State, sharing tips about kindness and hope and gratitude for Utah State. Make life great.